Welcome to the first session of Geography, Chapter 1, Resources. Students, today we shall understand the characteristics of a resource and the types of values of resources. For better understanding, click on the video link given below and note the characteristics and examples of resources. So we have understood what are resources. Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is called a resource. Human society attaches value to it due to its utility. And time and technology are two important factors that can change any substance into resource. Resources have different values. They have economic value. Some resources can be bought and sold. For example, minerals. They have aesthetic value too. We enjoy beauty of mountains, sea, landscape. Thus, they are resources which have aesthetic value. Resources can have legal value as well, like air, water, land, etc. are essential part of life. Thus, it becomes our responsibility to protect them from pollution. For example, Environment Act. Resources have ethical value too. It indicates that we should protect our flora and fauna from intensive cutting of trees and killing of wildlife. This is an activity for you all. You have to make a list of all the resources that you are using these days and share it with your parents and teacher. Feel gratified that you have these resources to use. Make a short video clipping giving thanks for all these resources and share it. Now comes your instructional practice. You have to think and write arguments for or against the following statement. Time is the greatest resource that man has. Children, you have to complete this work and send it to your concerned subject teacher. And this is all for this session. Thank you.